Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NOKIA G20 and let me share with you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all we have to open the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, and now let's tap on this three dot icon in the right upper corner and enter the history. And as you can see here we've got the full list of all previously opened websites. Of course you can remove them manually one by one just by tapping on those X buttons right next to it. But if you would like to remove more browsing data, just tap on this option Clear Browsing Data, and here we've got some basic and advanced options. In basics we've got browsing history, cookies, site data and cached images and files, and in advanced we've got also saved passwords, auto-confirm data and site settings. If you want to remove something, just make sure that it is marked. I will mark everything. What's more, we can change the time range. For example, we can set last hour, last 24 hours or last 4 weeks. I will pick this option. And if you're ready, just tap on Clear Data. We just got back to the history, which is empty, so it means that we just successfully removed actually everything, starting with the list of visited websites and ending on saved passwords, for example. So actually this is it. This is how to clear the browser in your NOKIA G20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.